Okay, one is just to read and understand what you've read. So, rainstorm hits the city, resulting in record rainfall. The rainfall rate, RT, is recorded in centimeters per hour. All right? So again, I would, concentrate on that RT, the unit on it is centimeter per hour. And it's good to know the units of these things over here. In the following table, and it's again table 64, where T is the number of hours. So T is in hours. I do see that. Since midnight. So 0 to 2 would be from midnight to 2 a.m. 2 to 4 would be 2 a.m. to 4 a.m., so forth and so on. All right? It says compute the total rainfall during the 24-hour period. All right? So I'm going to write it down. It's 24-hour period, and I'm not going to do the computation, but I am going to write it down for you. So the total rainfall, it's basically a rate problem. All right? What are you getting over here? And look at these things over here. Again, just to remind you, this is centimeters per hour. And this is going to be hours. This is what's known as dimensional analysis. So what I know is if I multiply those two numbers together, I would be getting centimeters. So let's write this down. So the first rate is going to be, this is going to be the total rainfall. Let me just call it big T, for the total rainfall. What do you get over here? Well, you get 0.2. That's going to be 0.2 centimeters per hour. And how many hours did that occur? 2 hours. All right, this one's done. Let's go to the next one. What's the next one going to be? 0.1. And what's the amount of time there? It's 2 hours. It's 2 to 4, it's still 2 hours. Let's go to the next one. It's 0.4. How many hours there? Well, 4 to 9 is 5 hours, right? Let's do the next one. What's the rate there? It's 1. 9 to 12 is going to be 3 hours. Let's do the next one, which is going to be 0.6. And how many hours is that? Well, that's 8-hour stretch. 12 to 20 is 8 hours. All right, I got to keep going, and the last one's going to be 0.25. And how many hours there? It's 4 hours. All right, I'm going to start to write this down for you. And I do want to get the number. And what are you going to get there? 0.4. What's the next one going to be? 0.2. What's the next one going to be? Let's see. 4 times 5 is, it's going to be 2. What's the next one going to be? 3. What's the next one going to be? Well, 6 times 8 is going to be 4.8 now. And then what do you get there? Well, a quarter of 4 is just 1. Again, I have to add that together. I'm going to say 0.6, 5.6. Let me put in what I just did over there. This, 0.6. That's 5, 5.6. What's this going to be? 5.8. And what do you get there? 11.4. Let me make sure that's correct. 5 and 5 is 10. 0.6 and 0.8 is 1.4. 11.4. 11.4 what? Centimeters. Look at the answer key, and you should be staring at that. Thank you.